computer can be a gateway to a world of information that is possibly greater than any library that ever existed. Anyone may enter this world and contribute to its vastness with the proper tools and know-how. In this lesson, we will learn how to make things like websites and browsers work over the internet, and how a virtual world has a written language of its own which makes possible the creation of websites. First, let's talk about the history of the internet. The internet started as a military research from the Department of Defense of the United States of America in 1957 through the Advanced Research Projects Agency, or the ARPA. The internet was originally aimed to establish America's lead in science and technology applicable to the military. But due to its many potential, narrate the history of uses, it became a publicly available information superhighway. Paul Baran was one of the scientists who made the internet possible through his packet switching principle. Question? What do you think about packet switching? That is correct. Packet switching is the breaking down of data into packets that are labeled to indicate the origin and destination of information, and the forwarding of these packets from one computer to another until the information arrives at its final destination. In the year 1957, USSR launched first satellite. USA started ARPANET. However, during that time there is no computer connected yet. And in 1962, packet switching was developed, but still no computer connected. In 1972, the first email program created by Tomlinson of BBN. And it was 4 computers connected. 1973, Transmission Control Protocol/Internet Protocol, or the TCP/IP, created and it was 23 computers connected. Ethernet technology was developed which led to Local Area Network, or the LAN, and it was 111 plus computers connected. In 1983, TCP/IP became the core Internet Protocol and replaced ANSI entirely. And it was 562 computers connected. In 1985, the National Science Foundation, or the NSF, began deploying its new T1 lines. And 1,961 computers connected. In 1988, after the completion of the T1, 1.544 megabits per second, net backbone, internet traffic increased quickly. And it was 56,000 computers connected. In 1992, NSFNet backbone upgraded to T3, 44.736 megabits per second. And it was 1,136,000 computers connected. In 1994, Pizza Hut offers pizza ordering on its webpage, and it was 3,864,000 computers connected. And in 1996, Internet Service Providers, or the ISP, became the major carrier of internet traffic. And it was over 15 million internet service providers became the major carrier of and growing rapidly. Now, let's proceed to the internet technologies and applications. The internet has evolved from simple dial-up technology to high-speed data networks. Applications have become more advanced from simple web page to complex video conferencing applications. Nowadays, computers, radio, television, mobile phones, cars, and even wearable computers can be connected to the internet using embedded networking. The continuous evolution of the internet was caused by the need of people to transmit high traffic and high bandwidth applications over the network. In addition, the explosive advancement of software technology powered the internet's applications. Did you know that the number of internet users in the world surpassed 3 billion by the end of 2014? In the Philippines, there are an estimated of 39 million users. Now, here are the internet technologies and applications. Local Area Network, LAN. Wide Area Network, WAN. Wireless Fidelity, Wi-Fi, or WiMAX. General Packet Radio Services, GPRS. 4G LTE, 4th generation long-term evolution. Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP. Multimedia Streaming. Broadband. And cluster or grid computing. Online resources and tools. Email. search engine,
chat, blog,
peer-to-peer, network, and social networks. Now, we have learned that the internet evolved from a simple interconnection of two computers to an interconnection of millions of computers, providing new technologies and applications for cluster computing systems, embedded networking, personal networking and home networking. Let's see the internet trends and predictions. First, mobile devices will overtake that of desktop in connecting to the internet for online services. Second, migration of information and entertainment to the internet will continue to grow. It will be more available in digital form and online. Third, collaboration and real-time interaction over the internet will become bigger and more frequent. Fourth, computing devices will proliferate as embedded, RFID, and Bluetooth technology will allow home appliances to be connected to a home personal network and to the internet. And fifth, virtual classes will allow homeschooling system. Now, let's go ahead and proceed to our lesson number 6. How the net connects. Computers can only communicate with each other using appropriate software and hardware components that enable proper network interface and cabling. For a packet originating from a computer to reach its recipient, it passes through different network devices, such as a network interface card, or the NIC, router, hub, switch, etc. The speed of data transmission depends on the bandwidth of the medium connecting two computers on a network. Before we continue, I have a question. What do you mean by bandwidth? That is correct. A bandwidth is the measure of the speed of data transmission, which can be in kbps, mbps, gbps, or tbps. In order to measure the speed or bandwidth utilization of a network, network measurement techniques can be used by collecting data using the Simple Network Management Protocol, or the SNMP. SNMP is a protocol used to monitor the status and activity of certain network devices and is ideal for network management.